Having a ghostwriter used to be this expensive luxury reserved only for the most important people. Politicians, actors, celebrities, and let's be honest, half of LinkedIn. Not people like you and me. Well, guess what? Ghostwriting is now free, and we all have access to a free ghostwriter. It's called generative AI, and it's time to learn to use it for ghostwriting. Now, the magic of ghostwriting isn't the writing itself, nor is it the notion that, oh, I have someone who writes for me. It's nothing like that. It's actually the collection and organization and transformation of your ideas into something coherent, engaging, and worth reading. So let's talk about 3 ways to actually use an AI to be your ghostwriter. Okay, number 1, have the AI interview you. An AI, you can tell it, hey, interview me about this. I want to produce a piece about XYZ. Just ask me a series of questions for me to answer. So the AI can literally, ask you questions as though it's someone interviewing you, and it knows how to do that. Just a lot of people don't take advantage of that capability, but it is there. And then after the interview, it'll turn all of that stuff into words that sound like you, not words that sound like AI. So you have something there that you can publish immediately or edit and tweak and whatever, but still, the AI can interview you. Okay, the second way to use an AI for a ghostwriter is to have the AI read transcripts of you speaking. So if you record yourself, giving a speech, or if you have Zoom calls where you're talking through something, or heck, sometimes what I do is I pick up my phone and I just record a voice memo. In fact, I'll just take these videos and I'll have an AI transcribe them, and then I tell another AI to produce an article based on what I just said in that video. AIs are excellent at turning transcripts into something that is good to read. Like, it has structure. It's not just this meandering, stream of consciousness. It will organize your ideas and turn it into a good article. And then the third way to use AI is just tell it what you want and then iterate. So you can say, okay, I'd like an article about this. I'd like you to speak in my voice, which is this kind of tone, professional but casual. That's a popular one. Avoid using this kind of language, emphasize these kinds of things, treat it as though it is a person who is going to be writing for you and you've never met them. They don't know anything about your writing style. So you have to do a little bit more, inward work to understand how you write and the kinds of things you want to say. But you can have it generate this article or even chunks of the article, and then you can tweak all of that. You can either have the AI do it. You say, hey, this is too casual, or I'd like to add a little bit more humor, or whatever it is. Or this idea about this thing is incorrect. Please, change it into this. The AI is there to just respond to you, and then you can have it tweak your ideas, or you can just paste the output into Google Docs or something, Microsoft Word, whatever you work in, and then just do the editing yourself. Or heck, just go, if you're that important, go tell someone who works for you to go do that editing. Or some expert in your company, hey, can you tweak this article? Can you review it to make sure it's accurate? So those are the 3 ways. Why would a ghostwriter like me be telling you this? Well, because I know where AI sucks as a ghostwriter, but having an AI ghostwriter is more productive than producing nothing, no content for yourself or your company. And I'll be here when you need to level up.